How and why to request an IEE. An IEE is an independent educational evaluation, and this is something that you may want to request if you disagree with the results of your school's evaluation, or if you feel that it was not comprehensive enough, or that the results were inaccurate or not truly reflective of your child's abilities. Sometimes the school psychologist will miss something or fail to identify certain barriers to learning. The most important thing for parents or caregivers to know is that you can get an evaluation at district expense with a provider of your choosing. You do not have to use a provider that is on the list that the school provides. You are entitled to any qualified provider that has the credentials that are appropriate. If your child has been struggling or has been denied classification, an IEE could be your opportunity to have a neuropsychologist do a comprehensive evaluation, diagnose, because many schools cannot diagnose formally. And that way you can have the information that can help you advocate and understand your child better. Anytime a school district conducts their own testing, this can be psychological, educational, speech language, the parents have the right to request an independent evaluation for each domain. Sometimes a neuropsych evaluation will cover all of them. Sometimes you can just get a speech language evaluation or just get an IQ test done. It depends on what you're looking for and what the child needs. The most important thing is to put your request in writing. Do not bring it up at the meeting. Do not make a phone call. Do not mention it to the teacher. Put it in writing and make it formal. Also, when writing your letter, the parents or caregivers do not have to explain why they are disagreeing with the evaluation. For most states, the district is not allowed to cap the fee. They can't decide how much a neuropsychologist should be charging for an evaluation as long as it's reasonable and customary. So they can't say we're giving you $1,000 towards an independent evaluation when the standard rate is, somewhere between $5,000 and $8,000 depending on where you live. And once you make a request, school has approximately 10 days, depending on the state, to respond to your request with either an approval or a denial. IEs are so important because these are children that often are not receiving the proper services. They're misdiagnosed, they're misunderstood by their teachers because they don't have the proper diagnoses. They're very important to show a paper trail down the line when you talk about testing in high school or standardized testing, college, technical school. They're also critical for transition to adulthood. So there's many reasons to have a neuropsychological evaluation. And IEE is an option for parents who are not able to afford an evaluation out of pocket and feel that the school should be responsible for an independent evaluation based on the school's testing. Many times the IEE is the first time a family will see a diagnosis. It's the first time they'll understand the proper interventions, and it's the first time they'll be connected to outside supports.